Frustrated by the Microsoft Foundation Class 70 Unicode DLL blocking your PC's performance? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the recovery of your runtime environment. To kick off the Microsoft Foundation Class 70 Unicode guide, I've provided an official resource for maintaining a healthy and synchronized workstation. This is the Microsoft Foundation Class 70 Unicode, the Unicode execution library for the MFC 7.0 framework. It bridges application UI calls to the Win32 subsystem, ensuring that menus and buttons render correctly with international characters, essential for legacy software ported to the modern OS environment. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. This issue is typically resolved by refreshing the Visual C++.NET 2002 MFC Unicode Lib installation. Download the x86 and x64 versions of the Visual C++ redistributables directly from Microsoft and run the setup to repair the runtime. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Microsoft Foundation Class 70 Unicode component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. A quick professional note on security. Sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Installing an unverified version of Microsoft Foundation Class 70 Unicode DLL is a common security pitfall that can inadvertently bypass your system's built-in execution safeguards and firewall. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. One approach to reviewing Microsoft Foundation Class 70 Unicode references is through a diagnostic scan. Additional information is available at the link below. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got Microsoft Foundation Class 70 Unicode working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.